go dey knock woman, pa. See, listen to me. No matter you sabi knock, you can't reach the ending.
You are the supposed to be
They're going to tell you, baby, don't stop. Now that is stop. Some wicked do, some culture say, baby, you are there. How dare you?
But you give the left and right.
Some men wicked do, as they say, baby, you are there. You'll see the doing. As the guy don't say, baby, don't stop. You are right there. You go see the idiot.
I'm hotter than fire.
You want when they pay me? I know say, man, no, they agree say don't tire for sex, so man. When they worse now, when you are the girl make match, and I don't do sex chat. The girl don't say, I've not seen a man that will make me come. Now you can tell the girl say, I have not slept with a girl that did not come. Comrade, hello.
You fuck me too hard.
You are the girl who got the man, pa. You don't tire, idiot. You don't say you don't tire. But because the girl never come, you don't want to say you don't tire. I know say one man don't tire. Women man tell our style. When man don't tire, go they bring useless style. So me, I won't get make my for Potako. I do I don't tire. I don't know how to say that. If I tell them, I just fuck up. Then the girl look me. No, you can't tell me best comedy than 5 years. No. Me, I don't tire. I call it bring different style. I can't do one. Do like this. You can say, what style is that? Say snake in the monkey shadow. Now me one for straight. Wait, now me one for straight. I don't wait. Alright, before I leave, I always say this. I should not go, okay, beautiful. Me, I will talk to you tomorrow morning, know me.
I am a soldier.
Either way, I have a soldier, be man of war. What I not say? Now, this one now is a comedy, is a joke, but is educative and interesting. I want to explain. Nobody here now, as we are sitting here, nobody, choose, you know they go. Are they Chris? Now so they just strand now. Yeah. And you do video since. Ah shit, man. Yeah, you don't come back to your usual. Now so like this. Yeah. Pull line may last. This thing when they give, so if you just put some more account, abortion mercy. This is when I talk like the place, so I swear, as they go outside, some girls go ask you, what is that thing you ordered the other time? I'm sorry, let's start properly, I'm sorry. That's Igodo. If you don't know this song title, then you know get respect for me, thought that I go fire you. Igodo part 1. Igodo part 1. When Norbert Young was coming from the forest, he don't hold the knife. Oh, no. Le Bragade. Thank you. That's Igodo part 1. Yeah, those of you who don't know, you can go to your YouTube, you see them. Igodo part 1. Very interesting movie. Yes. Yeah, Norbert Young. Now attack. Now only him. Now come back from the forest. Now this comedy. This I just narrating. Not be true. Now one to enter the village. Now the last one go see him mama. Go hug her. Baba, this one just go collect something. From your guy to me to you. Anyway, that's all I be. What goes around? Correct. Baba, listen to me. NYC. I won't beg on her. Not be everything that hey, Apostle. Not be everything they buy for traffic. Oh, my guy go buy dog for traffic. 2 years now, dog never back. Now we carry the dog go vet last week Friday. You know, say the veterinary tell us say the dog not there for dog. Not maybe they buy one of my guys don't buy gold. Why you go buy gold for traffic? Gold oh. They tell us say 82 karat day. Listen to me. All those boys they sell for traffic, they get master plan. As they follow the price, they look traffic light. As it they red, they go calm. As it go yellow, they say, okay, oh yeah, bring money. Now fake oh. As they pay, it don't show green. They say, okay, they go light don't show. You don't move. One of my guy buy good. As they go now, the guy will sell up for the follow. Now when I wearing they fall.
Small life and I be featured, cause my money be featured. That is my
I tell you why they ban money. Hey, as I see, I remember the joke. They hear all those matter now when EFCC they ban spray, public spray. One girl when he borrow her friend wig, 1.4 million a week. Come gravity. And they throw to 200. She got a big money. Now I won't get pick a wig. Ask me how much you get pick. Ask me. Mona just ask me now. 62K. Now the thief wig of 1 point. Now club don't finish. The girls down for outside. I don't hear. How much did I pick?
oh yeah,
Alright. Kingston, you don't see the matter. That's it, don't you? Alright. I want to do a very educative comedy, informative, so that you learn. Not be saying you just laugh, you just go home like that. You say, what? I know the young. Oh, you know the young lady. What do you want here now? Edo? Measurable. Okay. Owanyo bebe one Ayovo Say man, calm down. Now me no let me data spray me. They just spray you 20,000. They will frustrate you. Guess what? You play the song again. I go and Bini Abi they'll play Bini song. I go and Sabana. I not tell them that spray me. Listen. I'm sorry. I'm focusing on this side. I'm sorry. Let me. This song, it does happen away. When I know the day when they drop this song, now the day when in best I do end of year party. Listen, hello, France president. Have you not been France president? Okay, France, Nigeria and France. I beg, may not be like say they lie for you. Who you really be? Okay, after party, don't worry. After party, they will not go anywhere. Hello, are you France, Nigerian's president? Nigeria in France. Let's get it right. Nigeria's in France. President. Is she the vice? Okay. Let's start properly. DJ way, DJ, as big as you are. You see they do two. Go. You see they do two. As matured as you are. Sonny. Alpha, I like the way your composure no be here because you don't calculate, you don't say. No worry, you don't say. I know what you are talking. You don't say. You know what he Kingstech? Only Kingstech don't order. How about you just said? Now. Listen, this is the best place to have fun in Lagos right now. Yes. Yes, not be lie. So now today after party, instead of more they drive come out. We'll day here, we'll boy here. If I suppose say I, if I not suppose say nay, the I have it. So what a boy here. Oh, Sonic Room, God bless you. Now, sir, president in Nigeria. Oh. Wait. I want to express something. Hello. Please now. Please. I dey respect you now. I know if you come your office, God dey distract you. Now my office now come. Now my office. I beg. Let me this. I'm sorry for my gross misconduct. I'm sorry. Binio here. DJ! Hey, DJ! Play all the Benin song when you get. Then get out from there. Yeah, I start. Where are? Okay. Oh, Sonic Room! They don't give me a profile, no best. Jesus! Oh! Play all the Benin artists! Let them! Rema, you know that Rema? Oh, I never said this one. Oh, yeah, follow me. Thank you. Yes, I don't. You know, that is I really love Benin, but the wish one I get. I mean, you know the. Now when our class prepare be this, why not make them? What horrible? Now you know make them. Take my number. You dey fuck up. I'm really sorry. See you at say na NYC. See I here. DJ. As this guy saw finish, he no make her. He say go stretch the trouser. I'm sorry. Let's do this, and I drop the mic. I'm sorry. By right, I've worked more than what you paid for. All right. Yeah. Because listen. When he called me, thank God you are here. When he called me, he begged me. He said it's a family thing. That just come and support you guys. And I said, I don't know this Sonic Crew. He said, I suppose no one else keep quiet and they talk to who get.
No need to balance. Any money they that is where I pass. Any IOD that they pay my tax. Any Google
So, what I charged him is a family price. Alright? So now that I've seen you, I'll give him the family price, you will settle me. What they know say, who get money, I tell you why I know. As we did traffic light, now I see billboard. That billboard, when I want to do my show, they tell me, say, to do that, to play my advert 5 times for that billboard is 7 million naira.
Money where we get.
Did they wait now? We get. Honorary Comedy Club. Baba likes that billboard. Baba God will bless you. Nothing sweet me young boys get. The worst thing now when your breakthrough come for old age, you can be like Fatai rolling dollar.
I drop the top to the portion, I stick out my head and scream, Mama!
That's the set of rich men this country is producing. Young boys. See, I'm now. I'm 40. I senior you. Yes, now. This is what if you don't, now small, but I senior you. Keep quiet. I'm 40. I'm fearless. Yeah, and you are 39. You are fearing. You are scared, eh?
39, I'm fearful.
Are you 40 yet? Not say small. 4 years, then you call small. Do you know what it takes me to get to 40? Do you know the arrow they shot at me?
How many come you come?
How many? You crazy? Yeah, you carry the people come. Nothing sweet me. Nothing sweet rich when you are babe day. You dey knock back. The girl call they ask you, please, now what will I do to make you come? If I don't hear that thing, I don't achieve. You know, money go for this money. I'm not telling you the continuation. I don't do not scam. The yellow. Guess what? Smiling money first. Sir, copper. Do you know? Oh, sorry. You be NYCC copper. You never see anything. Oh, you never see anything. Nothing to me. I'm bossy. You don't say your wife did, but this joke, not laugh. When you go ask, just laugh for no reason. Your wife will come and say, this one you are driving and you are laughing, you can say you will not understand. Because this joke now, if I get the wife to tell you, you call laugh, your wife will come and ask you. Why? I beg, not laugh here. But I think give you another side to laugh. The joke, I swear your wife must laugh. As they laugh, you can't laugh your wife. Oh. I'm the only comedian that will educate you how to laugh to my jokes. Now, sir. Comedian, you don't know, in any show, try to find your soft landing. She says, at your point, the guy they go like, watch. Let me one guy charge me 100,000. That I never make her. We did not. Now the girl they interview me. Allah make her interview me. And the girl say, what do you drink? I say nothing. What do you shop? I say nothing. Now they say, what will I do to make you come? Now my head twists.
That's how you make me feel. I'm with you, I'm far away.
I will tell you for free. Sonic Room. You understand the business before you enter. Not worry. No, you wait. Where casino? I tell you, say you start well. Abi? Yeah, because if you build there, no build well, you know start well. Good. Now, sir, let me explain to you. To make up for this Lagos is easy. Just look for the what the youth they look for. Developer. They go bring the money. Everybody get money. You know why? Let me explain to you. What it make all these people when they say organic cream, those when they say vaginal tightening soap. What's their name? Dorina Skincare, Jenny's Glow. I get one here. They forget that name today. Listen, they go say, listen, life na brain. I not say comedy too much for the industry. The same comedy, the same style. Now bring DJ enter. Make it different. So if you are there for 2 days, you don't know if you go as. Yes. Do it differently. Leave the way. Now, you see the problem now? Do it differently. You will get your money differently. That's what it just be. Alright? That is why all these people, when they say vaginal tightening cream, yes, they buy them. Men, they buy penis enlargement. So as you they tight, we they enlarge.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. I gotta tell it on.
As they tighten, then they enlarge. Who produce the cream? They get a lot. A lot. A lot. Baba thinks outside the box. Money they this Lagos.
Anybody who won't fight you, can they come there already know?
Money day.
I'll be right beside you. I don't want to check.
They don't know, they don't know. They don't know the story go. They don't know. Casino shock now when he coming for this comedy club. After they collect 5 million. He said, I'm on Sonic room, give him. That is my style. They say comedy club now, when you go give some comedian 5,000. I what am I be? Not about tail. I get comedian when they don't take. They collect 1 night. You go double one. No. So Sonic, you know why they talk this thing? So that next month I go come for free. You know how much I dash you, even though you get.
See the way you love me. See the way you care for me. Carry my matter
For your head, oh. Like a little baby. They watch over me, oh. You know they carry me, they play, oh. My love is happiness, listen to me. In the law of speed, overtaking is allowed. Humility is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Now I make, even though you get, are you humble? People when you get pass, go see they help you. I'm saying you just get 2 million, 2 million. You don't go add 2 pounds. Commander go they ask some celebrity go they ask me. Destalker, the level when Baba, if now music I did, I mean be Burna Boy.
You don't know why it's going on.
I go to travel. Only me go to drive me and my DJ. I go to fire. I go reach already. People go to follow me, they snap. I go buy Tico yesterday. Now one guy won't snap with me. He said, Baba, I feel snap with you. I said, snap. He said, Baba, you be celebrity. I said, if I know there, you foresee me. He said, no. I said, snap.
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life.
So anyway, now let me run it down so that I want to dance. I want to have fun tonight. Alright? Yeah, you know some people in lodge now, they feel sad, they waste time. Hello? Now some my joke they be, am I communicating?
I think when they go off all lights, people will raise their phone up. I bet now you go help me do one. So I'm going to
Yeah. We'll do one. Baba, anything what you want, I'll give you apart from blow job. I'll deal with you. That's all it be, Baba. See, everybody, you see, as all of us did this room now. You know, say you're in a room. I mean, they put Sonic room. You know, so as all of us there now. If all of us become star, space go see day up for another stars. Why you call the hinder on that person lights now? Alright, now I want to do this and I drop the mic. But before I drop the mic, I want to do something for my friend, my brother. I will say this for free. This is the biggest comedy club in Lagos. Make some noise for Sonic Room. Now make some noise for Casino. Beautiful. There's something about me. Those of you that are close to me, I push anybody around me to progress. I push you to go far. All right? Listen to me. If I help casino now, not be for your own good, now for our own good. You know why? One person they do convoy. Baba, convoy better pass more than for manage back. That is why I like helping people. So the people would ask me, you like carrying people along? Yes. I've got it to a level. See my men, they here. House of the Soccer are here. DJ Kese is here. Pekis is here. We go club now. Go drink 2 million. And they bring the bill. They will tell me, say, my boy don't pay. Who I help now, don't they help me? Mama, they see me. So right about now, I want to do this. Like I said, this is the maiden edition, and we have this mammoth crowd. The only thing that can grow this place is gossip. As you go back to your house, you go back to meet your friends, gossip to your friends. Make them feel bad that they are not here. So that you'll see next edition. You'll see people with the lap people. That's how it should be. So we want to do this to my friend before I drop the mic. That's the only thing I owe you, bro. Alright? Now, normal show we do, but for you to get this crowd, you don't this upper small center now. Alright? Now, Sumoti, they call it a big pass, it's Sumoti. So, what we're going to do, we'll switch off the light. You know why? For the publicity of the next edition. Tomorrow, you're going to tell people, say, now we start Sonic Room. It's called Legacy. Now we start Sonic Room. The first edition, we did there. It's like, casino. Alright, bro. So we're going to do that. They'll put up the light. If you're not using a good phone, I'm sorry. Apology accepted? Yes, if you're not using a good phone, listen to me. What's the criteria of not a good phone? If your phone don't get touched. You are not using, Not as everything get phone touched. So they will off the light. That's what my friend, I owe him this. Yeah. I will leave the stage for you. I'll deal with you.
Sit there with me.
All right, we'll put up the light. Listen to me. Pick all your valuable before we do this thing. No. Not say here, not be worried. Worry, but it's the inside here. Keep quiet. Wait, I know what they talk. I know what they talk. Not everybody when they here come from Ireland.
So come to Cottage Highlander.
No, here I'm now. Man, give you one game. They carry on for Ireland. See, all these guys want you. Not every boy you see here, we are native. Sorry, not you. Not be every guy where we are native, dress where they Ireland. Oh. One guy don't carry girl for my club, book out. Listen, he carried the girl around 4. The girl don't hide. The girl just say, I hope you will take care of me. Now that one here, you know, say highness, they do that one. Now he say, yes, let's go. Now they enter motor. Ask me where the guy they stay.
Where the guy is staying?
After Okoko.
Jesus, that's Cameroon.
Beautiful. Baba, you don't suffer. Lowly. And what I hear now, as they go, now the girl they say, I don't want to be sure. What are you giving me? Now the boy answer, what do you want? Now the girl say, you give me 60,000. Now the boy say, no problem. You know why? You know where they go. DJ wait, true life story, not be kilometer here gist. Now miles. You know, say they carry this girl from Lekki phase 1. First of all, how you tell us say the journey far? How you go come up for clock to 4 in the morning? There is where they stay to 2 in the afternoon. No. I have to say na joke. I swear to God. True life story. The year now as they reach, the guy don't fuck. Around 5 in the evening, the girl won't come out. You know, say na highness they take go. You never carry girl before the girl come there and say, where is Ali away? Oh, see carrier. Oh yeah. The year the whole flight now calm down. The year now the girl answer. Mona here for the girl mind. Where they drive not far. Not so when you hire everywhere they near. Hey, that girl blessing her story. The girl look at friend. Who told him? Okay, listen now. You know, say they rich. In the evening, the girl won't go. How much the price? 60,000. Now the guy give her 60K. Now the girl called the book boat. You know, say boat no the area. I know say where boat no day. The thing go the load. The guy got to say nah, network not strong. Now the guy give her hotspot. The thing load. Now the guy answer, no vessel. Where we did? The guy na idiot. Instead of me tell us say we are not far from Okoko. Now he say it's 20 minutes to Cameroon. Huh? Now we don't know. Wait. You know say I don't know say both the same message. You get the way you go book boat. They'll come send you direct SMS for your phone. You know say the thing load. 9 messages just pop up. Check your SMS. Now the girl come on, go SMS. 9 boats send pigeon. Where you they really go?
Hey, Daddy, you can lie.
Okay, now you don't catch me. Alright, now so put up the line.
No, before I put up the line.
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for this talker. I don't face so many problems for this hot show. Now this man see me through. When I mean problem, big problem, I see me through. Please a round of applause for him. There's nothing I will do in my life that the soccer will not be part. I'm very happy you are coming next month for free.
Yes.
No, Baba, you don't talk and bro. Bro, you don't talk and
I say yes now.
The guy went there and I believe and he joined court, you don't talk and don't betray. You want to betray the brotherhood.
Baba.
Video menu.
Baba, I say yes. Yes.
Even your robo brother there, eyes of the witness.
Yes.
So I want to appreciate everybody.
Baba, I've done more than that for you, bro.
Yeah, Baba, you don't try.
I don't try for you. Oh, yeah, I'm not shock you now. I'm
tell
you what you go shock you now. Wait, now I'm not tell you what you go.
Shock me, Baba.
I'm shock you now.
Shock me.
You see that my balance? Take her.
Baba, if you're not telling me where the owner of the place there.
Okay, sorry.
The customer bring your balance back, give them your balance.
No vex. This now. This na your Benicio, no vex.
But I don't see take her. Go kill get her. If that my mother die for my sweat. Don't come crack joke. They drop money from me.
Baba, if you get money pass, he get joke reach you.
He get joke. How the money? What if be money? It's not for. $1 million. Oh, DJ.
All right.
If I say we go just employ DJ Kisle because if is the only DJ in Nigeria that understands stand-up comedy.
True.
Please a round of applause for this guy.
Yes.
How he does it, I don't know.
You cannot know if you know if you don't buy laptop. Not even
You're the crack joke. He go play music when somebody joke.
Yes.
DJ Kisle.
Yes.
You deserve a blow job in Lagos.
Yeah.
Hold on, I want to shock you.
Shock me.
You see your trash not go.
No, you don't feel go. See Anna.
For the DJ.
Oh! For the DJ.
Shut down Bini boy.
I pray, Jaja, cover me. Over my head like this and no. Oh! You see how this will be? What I want to touch brick, now they touch brocos.
Yes, now you must go round.
Unfortunately, say they give another one block.
You want to give DJ
another one block.
DJ. You are now a staff of Sonic Pro. I have employed you, no money. Will they give you get?
Hey, listen to me. I cannot stand here you disrespect my DJ. Even though that's his problem, must you make it public?
I don't know how to pay the guy. My brother, people when they use money buy Gucci shirts, they waste time. You know what? The best part of life is enjoy when you are not very close.
Casino, I not go like you. Casino, since I know you, now you make sense.
Give me wisdom, Papa. What?
He's like a body. Your body looking like nothing.
You know why our comedy club is different?
Yes, it's
Do you know why Sonic Room is different?
It's different, bro.
After this comedy,
Yeah.
they'll call her club life.
Yes.
So the after party of this party is still this party.
Wow, that is party after party, same venue.
Same venue, and get hype man.
Mm.
If not be walk, we know the hype now walk. We can be person senior song with the shout.
You know what you never pay me if you
Hey God, and a Muslim.
What did they pay me? What did they pay me for all these hype men? Hype men go frustrate you, you go enter depression. They're going to shout 200 million going down. Your heart strength is going down. Your bed price going down. You get money. In no ghetto.
If they say with DJ.
If they say with DJ, I mean they say who they say with DJ. You dey fuck up.
Promotion.
You want to put the champagne? Listen to me, poor people can get motivation. You go, yeah, all figures are not equal. Must you be the small one?
Now, this song so we play, bricklayer from Benin, now they use and play. Oh. If they buy bread and orobo persi, African China better pass whiskey. So guys, look at this one now, waitress. The one that they ask, they'll be like they don't see thief. They'll see thief Sonic Crew. They'll be thief, waitress. Now, I open bakery for my wife. You know that the manager of my wife's bakery, he don't open bakery, opposite my wife's home. Now I go Europe. That I be there with you, Owefi. About the way they attend show, they wait till close. It's like you don't broke. You know
No.
Now love you guys for me like this.
No. Listen, he love you.
If you get Europe, you get the hurry.
Okay, you know why they hurry? You know, say that Europe on the day. This guy get 8 work. He get 8 work. If he be waiter, see they work for mortuary. Okay, no. Let's forget that side. No. DJ will shop because I go give how much he give me. I will give
because he don't marry for France. He carry 2 chibok girls for Lagos.
You know why? To shit for Europe horse.
He there na Europe, you tell the shit home.
Yeah. You don't give 2 girls 50,000. If people bring their mama join.
Hey, so nobody's in a hurry to go, ladies and gentlemen.
Where did they go now? Listen to me. The level when this show don't reach now. Anybody when still remain now, either you are a CEO or you are a jobless person.
Yes. Or they bring your light by 6 a.m. You don't want to stay heat. Stay AC, make it not kill you. Even if so bad for Lagos, they come and heat won't kill you too bad.
Casino. This is a beautiful show. Sonic
This is my friend, Sakilin from Asabao. You know, say when you do your show for a hotel,
yeah.
I will do my show. It will be for a co, but it not be for a hotel.
Oh, yeah. That is Itanori.
No, that one I will shower the state. It will be for Federal Palace.
Okay.
But for now, I don't want to do
But you know with Sonic Room now, you do a hotel. What they do you? Why you limiting your powers?
Now so you they talk. This guy na producer.
That's why I produce this kind of place. Remember you go.
Now they produce
Rema,
baby, calm down.
Oh, no wonder he calm down today.
But our friend do Federal Palace on my birthday.
Okay.
May 5th.
If you insist.
You know, say my papa say, you don't test the depth of a liver with your 2 legs. You can put 1 leg.
If I say your papa go the same school because my mother say they know they use spring they test juju for cutlass.
Yes, now. Hold on. Destalker. Let me say my papa and your papa are cousin. And my papa tell me say, na small that they chop goat with that, but you not chop with killer.
Now no say na your papa now they talk to my papa.
The of trust apparel. He said for this show for 2 years, anytime they wear now, now go be swag. He not talk and I me tell you.
Oh.
And as a believer, when I believe go do one. Make bad thing for not happen to us. Baba, you go do one to avoid stray bullets. You don't. Hold the back of it. Let's say one time.
If you don't do it, you collect.
Baba, you go do one. You not go do one.
For how many years? Now listen to me. I'm not a greedy person. Do me 6 months.
Baba, many of Delta people do for you. When you anywhere see guy na Delta.
Baba, in the case, na person when I want help.
Maybe you all are read 19.5.
Yeah, Chris. Person when they say when he finish service, I will give him the video me.
On the car, is it okay?
No say is it okay? They say the 4 car. You know some English.
For Lagos, they do business when they push.
What? Now this guy English want to speak for your customer here. He say is it okay?
For Kanu na company, after when Kwakwaso wan become president, Kwakwaso people they don't wear red cap. When I don't wear red cap go Benin, so then I 7-7. Another cost they use our own.
Anyway, Benin different. Lagos go out dance on a comedy club. You do so. You just say you don't stand. You say you get pride.
I suppose they dance.
You go dance right now.
That is to blow for Lagos. You suppose crazy so.
Okay, you don't know what Koro they shout.
I never move.
I say you move.
Okay. Now, this show is free.
Yeah.
Now it's free. It happens every first Sunday of every month. Now, we do table reservation.
Wow.
Now, the table reservation, not that you are paying us. If you are doing a reservation of 300K, that means you go near us. Now, that 300K, they will give you drink.
What?
That is proportional to 300K.
Now, what will they use for Lagos? What?
You know, say I have to go school. And the only way fuck up, I'm not about the crowd for people who don't hire you. After that, Unibear, yeah. See, and our VC.
Even drop at the shout.
Ordinary. I'm not telling me poor people can know people history. August will run again.
Yeah.
So in case I reach out to you, you can follow us on Sunny Crew or follow official MC Casino.
Okay.
Just send money. What is that? This man get a big way for Asaba.
Which one?
This actually the lap.
Okay, for Asaba.
The lap, national lap for Lagos. Because in not send money, we will do reservation.
Oh wow.
So we get table for 10. 300K. The 300K na drink when you want drink. Oh. If the drink pass 300K, you go and join.
You better tell your guy. May try get 21 years.
Okay, that's shame.
Yeah, because I don't see him. That's why I'm managing.
But a small boy, person when they 19 years, that one is dead drink of 21 years.
What even shock me? I call the answer. He says, when he attend to me, he say, may you bring Casamigo. He say hot or cold. I shock. It isn't a food, even though you don't know. Hey, yeah, Bini. Casamigo na tequila, oh, hey God. I'm saying, are you the educate the waitress?
If you don't pass Kofra, we know they know.
Oh, not true.
I'm going to our court. What's that? The soccer, you want me for court for Lagos? So let's before the after party will start. This place is also a club. Not like they, but I never know. And the first time we'll get comedy club and real club.
Wow.
If you laugh, you dance, you sweat.
Good.
We get hype man, but the hype man don't tell me in 30 times. I don't have.
Where the hype man?
Baba, what did I know you call me that time? Talk, Baba, I'm not going to remember you tomorrow. Come and tell me that. What did you say from anyone?
What do you mean?
What did you say? Never dizzy. I don't forget never dizzy. Okay.
You want to do it? You want to do this like?
You want to do it? I want to appreciate a person. You gotta try you.
When I see a great number, you try. Not when you want. Not when you want to. When I see Jeep Wagon, how you hold? Cause he Range Rover. This is the me. This is the me. I don't know what you are doing. This is the me. They will not catch you.
For them to catch you, may they catch my grandmama. Very ungrateful old woman. My grandmother is a bitch. Not funny.
Alright, deal with it.
His marriage. Now, moto is there for me.
Which of them?
See, I'm a man.
The one that took the drink one water.
Not because of I don't care how you.
Okay.
I've been man is not come broke for Lagos.
Well now, I dey wave. I dey wave woman.
If I want you really order, when I was you really order, you know what our recognition will. We suppose beat you.
You know the get sense. I know they see if I recognize person for my show, now they do well.
No, the guy,
if you get past that guy will recognize you.
The guy they do well for Benin, Lagos who get big boys.
Oh, he got no competition.
Now come for
Lagos. And depression go kill her.
Now motor they say, don't go below.
Yeah, listen to me. Let me advise you. Not everybody want the same motor to get. Yes. They get chairman. That chairman and they bring the motor. If you sell motor of 60 million, he profit if he 1,250. Listen. I bought 4 motors in 1 month, just like 3 weeks now. So when I never make an answer, say why they spend here. So not the hate and say he get. If you are not close, hey.
If first get.
Poor people can quit or say person get. Now when you dey close to run, not because of 30,000 when they give you. You don't understand. You know they follow the story. The 6 motor, if you don't get one inside the 6 motor. Oh, that lie. You want that? I lie.
My brother not coming for problem. You know, I'm going to be there all the time.
Baba, no worry.
And I want me to come all the time.
Baba, you know if you come all the time, you know if you happen. Sometimes you will need some of my men to come all the time. Yes, I know that they tell you.
Comrade.
This guy, you get what you go call this guy rich. You go to say, you know what I'm saying. Guess the way. All the men when I get, they not get work, but they get. Kingstep. I'm not tell you why Kingstep he come. I'm tell you why Kingstep he come here 100 times. You know why? As he dey here now, they ball. People they play game right now.
That is the use people head.
Now as you dey. Kingstep. You think you dey hear us, you don't know what they talk and what they talk.
No, you don't want the soccer. I come the soccer show for a post there. I know what you do. Anything I talk here, I don't mean it. I'm drunk. Put the blame on alcohol.
No, I will not take this. Why they use my joke? And I'm even saying I'm drunk.
Now leave the drink for Nigeria.
Anyway, no, Casino. When I came, I declared my drunkenness.
Before the show, now last week I declared me I don't know.
Sorry, we leave battle. Sorry. You see, say, true. Casino, don't walk past what you give him. Be quiet. Don't ask me. I know what they talk. I'm a spiritual man. You just say don't walk past. After this show now, before you go back to Benin, when I will get meeting again.
May they help me my flight.
Good. You hear now? Now me doing flight come. Yeah, 9 days soon. Let me do your flight come. I will show you. Yes, now you know Lawrence.
Oh, sorry, boy. But since I come Lagos, I never come. When I will go. Don't laugh for me, man. Now this is like, I thank you. You know what? All this my our Edo.
Your Edo guys, yes.
You see this Ustaz Ubebo?
Yeah.
Not that day they will come on the Oriental Hotel now.
Yeah.
We shorted me when you get by 2024 Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
Nice brother believe so. Oh.
What you tell me say the sister use him brother destiny?
No. I not tell you.
Okay. Okay.
I
don't leave your show for you. I don't leave your show for you. Next time you know with the gossip.
I not tell now. Oh.
How about you go explain tire?
Oh, Dorinda skincare from Benin. You people many you. Wow, now
come now. You will not give her money to go like that. Come they appreciate you.
I believe I'm going to go before there is very dark my couple of days. I'm talking about. Wait a minute.
Do this light, oh, you gonna talk like this. Now one broom. Now one broom to the square. One.